Welcome to Kit. Welcome to Kit. Welcome to Kit TV.
Hey guys, today is January 1 and oh my gosh, happy New Year. Grabe. Ay, nakakaloka ang pinagdaanan ko. Ikukwento ko sa inyo yan later. Yung stress ko kagabi sa pagpapak, sa pera, lahat. Ikukwento ko yan sa inyo later. But currently, it's already 1:40 PM. Papunta na kami ni Connie sa Naiya. Hi, Cons! Hi. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! So, ayan, papunta na kami sa Naiya. I think we're boarding sa Terminal 3. BGC. Lasing na lasing ka nun. Happy New Year! So, ayun. Ang gulo ni Connie. Anyway, ayun. Balikan ko kayo later pag nasa airport na kami. See you later. Ito na naman po kami. Nandito na kami sa baggage drop. So, ang haba ng pila sa baggage drop. Like, ang haba talaga, beshi. Nakapagpalit na kami ng pera, pero nandito pa rin kami sa baggage drop. So, ayan. Back to being a millionaire tayo ngayon. Magkano ang dating mo? Anda?
3 million.
Ayun!
Eventually.
Hello! We are back in Bali. And hindi na ako nag-vlog papunta dito because feeling ko ang hassle. And sobrang antok ko na rin. But yun, we are back at it again here in Bali. And TBH guys, mas okay talaga akong magbo-book na kayo ng transportation, especially airport pickup. Kasi upon our experience before, if you've watched our vlog, nung unang beses ko nag-Bali, ang daming scam na taxi here. Mas better talaga kung may pick-up. Yung pick-up na kinuha namin, sa Airbnb lang din namin. Meron na rin services yung Airbnb namin. Tapos, majority ng shit namin, binook ni Connie via Klook. Siya na nag-book sa Klook. Bok, bitch! What's your name again? Sorry.
Wayan.
Oh, so you're the Airbnb host as well?
I do.
Wow!
I do all.
You do everything. How far is the villa?
About 45 minutes.
45 minutes. How far is it from Seminyak?
Yeah, about maybe 35 minutes.
Oh, okay. Actually guys, mas marami pang mas mura na airport pick-up or shuttle. Etong sa Airbnb namin, medyo mahal nga. Kasi almost 300 IDR, 300,000 IDR din yung babayaran namin. So, mga, I think in dollars, $20 siya. So, yung mga taxi dito, nire-rate ka usually 500 pataas. Oo, mas nakamura ka. Pero yung actual rate nito, kung i-check mo sa Grab, siguro nasa mga 80,000 lang. So, mas mahal talaga. Pero, wala na eh. Parang, hirap kasi kami na yung nabook namin na villa. Wala siya dun sa mga prime cities. So, kunyari, may nakita akong mas murang airport shuttle, airport pick-up sa Klook na nasa 300 plus lang, 500 pesos lang, which is like 100,000 IDR. Yun talaga yung tamang price. Wala. Hindi namin na-book because, yun nga, hindi namin mahanap yung Airbnb villa namin sa Klook na nakalagay na positions. Anyway, ayan na, sakay na tayo. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa villa namin. May dumaan, sorry. Ito yung nirant naming villa. Danini Negari Villas. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but yeah. Close ko para mas makita nyo yung itsura niya. Danini Negeri ata. So, ayan siya pagpasok mo. May door lang. Tapos, when you open it, sobrang ganda nito, guys. Our villa is just 1,800 pesos. Siguro tomorrow, mas makikita nyo siya bukas ng mas maayos pag may maliwanag. Pero gusto ko na talagang isama to. When we have a plunge pool here, actually medyo malaki siya. Ayan o. And then, ito yung mismong room namin. May shower area dyan, hindi lang kita. But then, ayan. Kasi ito yung mismong room namin. Super simple lang niya, pero maganda na. We have king size bed. We have a parang table here. And then, ano to? Oh, some open wardrobe. Simple lang. Then, may paintings dyan. Small TV. Tapos, here naman is our restroom. Asan yung ilaw? There. Ano yung ilaw? Ito yung itsura ng restroom namin. Ayan. Shower area. Toilet. Ayan, basically yan yun. Stone yung flooring. Then may sink at saka mirror. Ayan. Again, all of these cost for 1,800 per night na for 2 people. Breakfast included, Beshi. Noong una, parang before, mas gusto ko talaga nagbo-book ng hotel kaysa sa mga Airbnb for breakfast reason. Kasi diba, hindi naman ako ma-breakfast, pero pag nag-out of town, gusto ko talaga na may breakfast kasi mas nakakatipid. Kung ito yung room, ito yung gilid, si Connie kumakain na. Ayan, pwede ka mag-plunge dyan. Meron lang small dining area. And then, we have a ref there, tapos may lutuan. Sink. Ayan. Ayan, gano'n na siya. O, 1:34 na ng umaga. So, kakain muna ako at gutom na rin ako. See you later. Bye! Good morning! It's our official day 1 here in Bali and it's breakfast time. Actually, late kami nagising ni Connie. Nag-alarm na yung phone niya ng around 9:30 pero hindi pa kami bumangon. So, ayan, breakfast time muna kami. We're having omelette. She's having omelette also. Hi, Con. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi, guys. Good morning. That's Ryan.
Is he your husband? I saw the picture.
Stalker ka.
Look!
Aww. So, ayan, chill day lang talaga namin ni Connie today. Wala talaga kaming agenda. Meron kaming itinerary. May ginawa ako, pero parang patsi-patsi. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan gusto pumunta ni Connie. Today, punta muna kami sa plantation. Wow! Yeah. Kasi yung Airbnb na hinostan, nag-host sa amin, meron silang plantation ng coffee. So, in-invite niya kami doon for free. Hi, Beshi.
Hello.
Sakit. Hi. Oh.
How are you?
We're good.
So this is our Balinese compound house. In Bali, there are many buildings, as you can see here, but different building has different function.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like all houses, right? Most houses have different.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because that building for ceremony, you know,
Ceremony like wedding?
like wedding, yeah, baby
Oh.
born, someone dead. So in the north building, that is called sleeping.
Sleeping.
For the leader of families, the leader like grandparents,
Oh.
sleeping there. All separate. That's for children.
Oh,
that
okay.
sleep. And here the leader with his wife.
So guys, ito daw. Yung nakikita niyo doon is a temple for praying. That one again is for what?
That's one for dancing. That's for performance.
Oh.
Yeah, barong dance. Have you seen barong dance?
Not yet.
Have you watched? No.
Not yet. So ito daw for dancing daw yan. Barong
Something
dance.
like Chinese dragon.
Yeah. Kasi separate yung mga rooms nila dito. Dito daw, di ba yun nga yung sa head ng family. Tapos doon na yung mga anak. So, ang galing. Nasanay tayo sa Philippines na, di ba, parang we all live in one house. Dito naman, they all live in one lot. Pero may kanya-kanya silang, I guess, building.
Oh. How big is an adult luwak? Not that big. Oh, we have more inside. So you can see.
Hi! What do you call this one?
Tinkli.
Huh?
Tinkli.
Tinkli. Do you play? So, ito daw ay
When the
Arabica
Ready,
coffee.
the color turn red. Then we pick them. Then
That's
we
when you
pick
harvest
blue.
it.
Yes.
So, ang dami nilang coffee dito, coffee tree. How many coffee tree do you have here?
There are so 4 coffee tree. Arabica,
So, Arabica,
Robusta.
Robusta.
This one Java coffee tree.
So, kanina nag-breakfast kami, di ba? Mayroon silang coffee na sinerve. Para siyang, kung titignan mo at first, para siyang hot chocolate. Pero local coffee pala nila yan dito. Which is the Bali coffee. Sarap. Another luwak. So, tulog sila sa morning. Tapos gising sila sa gabi. Ito yung mga coffee.
Here they're processing how to make the coffee. And that's the poo from luwak.
Oh, that's the poo.
Yes, from Denimo.
Yeah.
Then we wash it until very clean, become like this.
Oh, from that to that.
Then we peel the skin. One by one we do by hand until we find coffee. And this is coffee beans inside.
Wait. Oh, there.
This one
So,
coffee.
hinahanap nila. Binabalatan.
So nothing touched
This
from the
just drop.
food. It's clean.
Clean. Because you remove it.
Yes. It's protected by their skin. Then we get a smell.
Oh.
And then we ground the coffee. And the last, we sift it. Okay.
I think you fix it.
To get fine powder.
Oh! Wow! So that's...
That's coffee. Like this. Smell it.
I smell. Ang bango.
This is Bali coffee. Just regular coffee.
Yeah.
Cacao. Like chocolate?
It's chocolate.
Smell
Pure
it.
chocolate.
Pure cacao.
Ang bango. Ang sarap. Champurado. Yeah, it's like a porridge. But it's chocolate. Oh, pwede na ako dito. Kapagyan ko. Pila-pila mo. Nakakapikon. Sukso mo.
Yeah, mawali.
Hindi na tayo dito tumira, Jai. Ang saya dito.
And this is spices.
Spices.
This cinnamon. Cinnamon stick, nutmeg, garlic, onion. This one ginger,
Yeah.
pepper.
Let's try the tea as well.
It's pure tea or you put like sugar or something?
Oh, with sugar only.
Okay.
Our tea here not made from the tea leaf. This is made from the fruit, like a herbs. For example, we used to extract ginger and then we mix with sugar
Yeah.
and then hot water,
In the Philippines, we also have that ginger tea. We call it salabat.
salabat.
Trying out different coffees and tea. Hi, Epri.
Hi.
Can I try now?
Sabay tayo.
Ooh, this is
Try kami ng coffee and tea.
ginger.
Coffee. Gusto ko. Which do you like best?
I like cocoa coffee.
Cocoa. This one. Mas bakit?
Ginger.
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 Spicy.
Yeah, it is.
Shook siya dun sa ginger coffee. Ang galing ng ginger coffee.
Girl, thebomb.com.
Ito ako. Ang sarap ng cocoa coffee nila. Ang sarap nito.
Ang sarap din ito.
Peanut
The
coffee.
base of them, all of them, based from Bali coffee.
Oh, so you just add them
Ang
together.
sarap. Ang sarap ng peanut coffee.
Diba? Ginseng.
Masarap.
Yeah, it's
It's
yummy.
delicious.
Yeah,
Yeah. Masarap. Oh,
Like good.
yes. Masarap.
Girl.
Good?
Yeah, ginseng.
Hindi ako mahilig sa ginseng. I don't...
Girl, it's masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap nga. Ang sarap. Hindi pa natin natin coconut.
Sige, ikaw muna. Para ka ba? Alay.
Yeah. Demonyo. So. Okay lang din ako sa coconut.
Ito masarap.
Vanilla eh. Okay lang sa coconut. Para kang kumain ng virgin coconut oil
Oo.
na may kape. I like vanilla. The cocoa. Do you sell vanilla coffee, for example?
Yeah, we do. We just sell,
It's hot.
we just sell everything that you try here.
Yeah. Gusto ko yung cocoa coffee. So,
Nescafe.
yung mga vanilla coffee nila, para siya lang 3-in-1 na,
Smells.
na coffee. So, bibili ako na to. I'm not a tea person unless it's a milk tea.
Do you have milk?
Chai tea.
No, we
Chai
don't.
tea, yeah.
Ay, ang sarap ng mangustin.
Try.
Nadijebs na ako, pero pinipilit niya itry ko tong... What is that? The powder?
Palm sugar.
Oh.
I think na-taste ko na.
Muscovado.
Like a brown sugar.
Ang harap. What's the coating?
Rice flour.
Benta natin ito sa Pilipinas. Gagawa kami. We're gonna make this one in the Philippines.
Yes.
We're gonna sell it. Yan. Best friends na sila ng mga kahayupan dito.
Does this bite?
Ayoko yung gangus kadiri. Basa. So, ito yung shop nila dito. So, after you try their coffee, hindi ka lang pinipilit bumili, but you can buy here. And I think we're going to buy So, lahat ng tinikman yung coffee kanina and tea, they sell it here. I'm not sure kung mura siya or mahal, pero pakiramdam ko mura na siya because sa Manila naman, mahal talaga yung coffee. And ito, mapapromise mo sa'yo na masarap talaga siya. Ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko. This is, wait lang, light please, ayan. This is the cocoa coffee that I tried. Sobrang sarap nito. For 200 grams, it's 140,000 IDR. 510 pesos. And 2 teaspoons lang naman kailangan mo for a coffee. So, maglalast talaga sa sayo a long time. Ayun. So, ayan yung mga parang 5S nila. So, Senyum is smile. Salam is shake hands. Sapa is
Greeting.
say hi.
To someone.
And then Sopan.
Sopan means like your kindness.
Yeah, okay. And then Santan is hospitality. Hello! So, ayan, we are done with the Balinese coffee experience. Ang sarap na mga kape nila. Ang dami kong binili, beshi. Ayan, nandito sila sa aking bag. I got this bag from Habi at iba pa. And I'm planning to give away one Habi at iba pa na bag. So, mamaya, isa-share ko na lang dito yung sa description box kung ano yung mechanics. So, you can also have this Habi na bag. Shopping bag. Cute, diba? Very perfect sa aking Bali trip. So, again, thank you so much, Habi. And, ayun, uuwi na muna kami sa villa namin. Pero bago kami umuwi, may bibilin muna si Connie kasi
Iiwan ko panty ko.
so, wala siyang panty, beshi. 8 araw pa kami dito. 8 days without panty.
Hoy, meron naman ako ngayon. Side B.
Side B. So, ayan, bibili muna kami. And sobrang natuwa ako sa experience namin dun sa Nagari Coffee Plantation. Kasi, aside from the coffee experience or the coffee knowledge, nag-share din sila sa amin about their culture. And wala, nakakatuwa talaga. Kasi, iba-iba talaga. Ito yung feeling ko yung rason kung ba't ka pupunta ng Bali is to learn more about their culture. More than, you know, more than the drinking and all. Their culture is really something that we should all learn talaga. Ngayon, maghahanap kami ng panty, bestri. Hello! So, up next on our agenda is a late lunch. It's already 2 p.m. So, late lunch lang kami. Sobrang lucky namin sa Airbnb host namin because yung kaninang coffee experience na Bali, some tourists get to pay for that. Kasi, syempre, babayaran nila yon dahil experience nga siya. Pero since the owner of this villa and the owner of the plantation is the same, parang part na rin siya ng pag-rent namin ng villa. So, sobrang nakalibre kami. Kasi parang around 250,000 IDR ata siya. If magbabayad ka. Sorry, ang gulo ng utak ko lately. Wasak na wasak, beshi. Pero ayun, right now, dadalhin naman kami ng host namin sa isang restaurant din na nag-offer daw ng mga duck. Dahil yun daw yung specialty dito sa Bali, yung mga duck. Meron din dito motorcycle rental. Nasa 50,000 IDR. Mas cheap talaga if mag-rent kayo ng motorcycle. Pero syempre, dapat marunong ka. Medyo bobo pala yung sinabi ko, pero what I meant was, dapat marunong ka, as in magaling ka, kasi medyo mabibilis yung mga motor at sasakyan sa Bali. At opposite yung road. Ah, it's so big. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they have calamari.
Ah, yeah.
Hi, Dina. I'm Kit.
Hi, Dina. Yeah, thank you.
So, Kit. K-I-T. Nice to meet you. Lumipat kami. Dito kami dadaan. Sobrang bait talaga ng host namin. Pinalipat niya kami dito sa cute, parang Nipa Hut. Ganyan siya. Ayan. Tapos may water sa baba. Cutie! Our food is here. Of course, I ordered calamari. And then, that's umasari salad. And this is the crispy duck that they're talking about.
Few inches later.
Na-meet namin yung isa sa mga owners ng pinagsistayan namin. Yung villa, yung coffee plantation, and then yung restaurant na kinainan namin. Wala lang, sobrang bait nila. And sobrang kind niya. As in, ang yaman niya, for sure ang yaman niya dahil yung mga business niya dito patok na patok, beshi. Pero napakasimple niya, so ayun, nakaka-amaze. We're here in Potato Head. Mr. Potato Head to, diba? Yeah. So ayan, medyo magulo lang yung seating nila, hindi ko gets. Medyo mahal lang ng konti kasi for you to stay here sa kanilang mga ganyang bed, yan, ganyan kami. Dapat meron kang minimum spend ng 500. Pero yung mga, if doon naman, dapat minimum spending ng 1 million. So medyo mahal ang pagwalwal dito, beshi. First order is calamari. Manatin. Nagkalamari na ako kanina, magkakalamari pa rin ako ngayon.
Sarap to.
I got zombie. Cheers. Takina. Ang tapang. So naglakad-lakad lang kami and then after 3,000 years, nakahanap kami ng kakainan. Pero medyo eskinita siya na pinasukan namin. It's Atlas Coffee. Sobrang cute ng vibe niya. Hindi nyo lang ma-appreciate. Pero ayan siya. Meron din indoor, kaso wala ng seat. So, dito kami sa La Vaz. This is what we have for dinner. I got this crispy roast pork na 5 years daw yan hinang. At ipinatuyo, beshi. Tapos, yung sauce ko on the side na lang. And then, some onion soup. And then, I got this coffee Nutella eme. Hindi ko maalala kung ano. But then, super kudos because they're using metal straws na. Hindi na sila, nag-avoid na sila gumamit ng mga plastic straws. Kay Connie naman is this salted egg, no? Salted egg fried chicken. And some cold brew kasi mahilig siya sa cold brew. Hi, love! Hindi masarap. Masarap yung kay Connie. Super sarap. So, nag-order pa kami isa. Tapos, nag-take out pa kami. Sarap-sarap dito sa Atlas, ha? Not sponsored. This is Ate Yolanda. She looks like, Ate Ray. Simply Ray's on YouTube. Right? You look like her.
Oh yeah, really?
Bye! So, ito, eskinita siya, yung pasukan. Ayan siya, oh. Yan. Ito na yung main road. Kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, ito yung landmark nyo. Katabi siya ng... Ayan, meron namang signage dyan. And you can take a grab din. We're back in the villa, guys. Sobrang haba ng biyahe namin. Actually, hindi mahaba. Sobrang nakakahilo lang mag-drive nung grab driver namin, beshi. Yung bill namin, 133K lang dapat. Pero, since malayo yung lugar namin, he insisted na magbayad kami ng 200K, no? Siyempre, wala na kaming choice kasi paano kami uuwi? So, pumayag na lang kami. Although, mas mura talaga kung mag-scooter ka around Bali. Hindi yun option sa amin kasi A, hindi ako marunong mag-bike. Magmotor pa kaya? B, kung si Connie naman ang magdadrive, kaya niya kaya akong iangkas? Hindi! So, hindi talaga siya option, mga besh. So, ang agenda natin tonight is mag-swimming lang dito sa aming villa at nang masulit naman namin to. Tara! Malulobad na ako, kaya kita-kits na lang tayo tomorrow. Bye!